Installation of video surveillance system at home, how to start. In today's world, security is a priority, so installing a video surveillance system in your home is not only an effective way to protect your property, but also an opportunity to ensure peace of mind. This video guide will help you figure out step by step how to install a video surveillance system yourself and what to pay attention to. Preparing for installation. Selecting a video surveillance zone. Before purchasing equipment, determine which areas of the house and surrounding area you would like to monitor: entrance, garage, terrace, or interior spaces. Keep in mind that cameras must cover all critical areas without blind spots. Evaluation of communications. Electricity. Make sure your home has access to electrical outlets to power your cameras. Internet, wireless and IP cameras, as well as remote access, require a stable internet connection. Lighting. If your surveillance areas are poorly lit, choose cameras with IR, night vision, or thermal cameras. Choosing a video surveillance program. Make sure that the video surveillance software supports the selected cameras. If you need analytics, recognition of license plates, faces, animals, etc., alarm activation, phone notifications, then it is better to choose an application that supports such features. For example, Xeoma is a video surveillance program with artificial intelligence, supporting 99% of camera brands on the market and having 100+ video analytics capabilities. Xeoma will automatically detect what is happening in the camera's field of view and send a notification to your phone, tablet, or computer. Selection of equipment. Camera types. Analog cameras, easy to install, but limited in functionality, image quality, and more. This type of camera is considered obsolete. Suitable for small spaces. IP cameras have high resolution, remote access, and often built-in detectors. Require an internet connection and cables. Wireless cameras, easy to install, but depend on network bandwidth and may suffer from interference and video distortion. Perfect for temporary solutions. Webcams work via a USB port or are built into a laptop/computer. As a rule, they have low resolution and depend on the bandwidth of the USB channel. Inconvenient to install around the perimeter of the house. Additional components. Equipment for viewing. Cameras can be viewed through a regular computer monitor, laptop, tablet, phone, or a video wall in real time or in the archive mode. Installation of some cameras may require cables, coaxial or Ethernet, PoE switches, power supplies, portable routers, mounts, wall or ceiling, and outdoor housings with protection from wind and moisture. Installation of equipment. Camera placement. Place the cameras so that they do not have blind spots. Make sure that the viewing angle covers the entire area. In addition, you can use PTZ cameras to cover all areas. Camera mounts. Use dowels and screws to secure the mounts. For outdoor cameras, choose waterproof housings. Make sure the cameras are protected from dust, moisture, and mechanical damage. Install outdoor cameras at a height of 2.5 to 3 m from the ground to prevent potential vandalism. Camera connection. Run cables along walls or in boxes, avoiding intersections. For IP cameras, use Ethernet cables or PoE switches. If necessary, lay cables in a conduit or cable tray for protection. Make sure the cables are connected to a switch or directly to the router. Check that all devices are working. For wireless Wi-Fi cameras, make sure that a stable signal reaches the cameras from the router. System setup. Configuration of cameras. For IP cameras, set up IP addresses and a local network connection. Set up the tilt angle, focus, and image parameters, brightness, contrast, saturation, in the camera's admin page in a browser. Use the camera's IP address, in the camera's bundled application, or in a third-party application, such as Xeoma. For wireless Wi-Fi cameras, set up a connection via the internet. Configuration of video surveillance app. Launch the required application and add cameras to it. In Xeoma, cameras can be added via the plus menu. Simple search for local cameras. This way the program will find and add all cameras on the local network. Then configure the required module chains and notifications, if necessary. Record video from the cameras to check the image quality and storage period of the recordings. Remote access. Download and set up a mobile app or web interface for viewing from your phone or computer. Enable data protection. Use complex passwords. With Xeoma, you can access camera recordings and live video from any device and anywhere in the world. while the connection remains secured with TLS data encryption. Operation and maintenance. Cameras should be regularly cleaned from dirt and dust, and periodically restarted to eliminate potential freezing issues. Check cables for integrity and reliability of connections. It is recommended to update video surveillance software regularly. Xeoma has an overwriting function, so there's no need to erase archives manually. You can simply set up the overwriting option, e.g., set the required number of storage days or the remaining disk space. Backups will help you protect the data. For example, use the Xeoma cloud. Installing a home video surveillance system is not going to become a complicated process if you follow this step-by-step guide. Correct preparation, equipment selection, and careful setup will ensure reliable protection of your property. Remember that regular maintenance is the key to the long-term effectiveness of the system.